Ladies and gentlemen, breaking news from the Supreme Court. So, this week alone, the Democrats and the far left extremists have had two reasons to cry, to shed those tasty liberal tears. Number one was on Monday, the Supreme Court overturned the Colorado Secretary of State ruling, put Trump on the ballot. Number two, yesterday was Super Tuesday. Trump won by historic margins, even in the state of Colorado. And now they have a third reason. The Supreme Court has officially said they're taking on the Trump immunity case, and they scheduled a court date. This is what the liberals, the media, the far left extremists have all feared more than anything else. Let's get right into it. Showdown. The Supreme Court will hear Trump's immunity argument on April 25th. The Supreme Court will hear Trump's presidential immunity argument on April 25th. It could take months for the Supreme Court to issue a ruling, so special counsel Jack Smith's January 6th case against Trump may or may not begin before the 2024 election. Supreme Court watchers say the High Court is expected to issue a ruling in late June. Judge Tanya Chutkan postponed the March 4th trial date indefinitely as Trump's immunity argument makes its way through the courts. We're going to keep this short and simple. Ladies and gentlemen, Judge Tanya Chutkan suspended the entire investigation into Trump. The court dates put everything on pause. Going off what they issued on Colorado on Monday, just a couple of days ago, we know how they're probably going to rule here, according to the Constitution. On January 6th, Trump was a sitting president. Sitting president. He had an obligation to listen to his supporters and to let them know that he hears them. So, but if they rule against him, then we can go after Obama, after Biden, Bush, Clinton. If a president does not have presidential immunity, then come on. I mean, just think about it. Come on. But this is huge. And what's even bigger is Fani Willis's case is done. I mean, that's about to be thrown out the window. She's about to be disbarred, disqualified, maybe even prosecuted for the way she's been conducting herself as a DA. This case, even if they say no presidential immunity and they rule sometime in June, but right after that, Trump is the nominee, the official nominee. And if you look at the Constitution, when you're officially the nominee, if you had any trials or court dates, that stops because the people of the country have made you and nominated you to run as their party's president, and everything takes a back seat. And when Trump wins, well, then no court dates till at least 2029. But by then, the swamp would have already been drowned, DC and our courts cleaned up, and our constitutional republic restored. And this banana republic garbage will be thrown out the window. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for your time. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Share this with a friend. Subscribe. Hit the bell notification so you're notified every time I upload. Trump 2024 or